Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to update your vehicle insurance in the Uber Driver app. First, open the Uber Driver app on your phone and log in to your account. Tap the three horizontal lines in the top left corner to open the main menu. From the menu, select Account. On the Account page, tap Documents. Look for the Vehicle Insurance section, then tap Update or Upload. Take a clear photo of your insurance document or upload it from your gallery. Follow the on-screen instructions and submit your document. Once Uber reviews and approves it, your vehicle insurance will be updated in the app. And that's it. That's how to update your vehicle insurance in the Uber Driver app. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.